Good morning, one and all presents here. I welcome you all for day 2 ATL workshop. Now I'll welcome the resource person Dr. Vijay C.P. We are pleased to introduce Dr. Vijay C.P. sir, an accomplished academician and researcher, currently serving as an associate professor in Department of AI and ML at Vidyavardhaka College of Engineering, with 13 years of rich professional experience. He is widely recognized for his contributions to teaching, research, and technical training in emerging areas of computing. Dr. Vijay sir holds a PhD in Computer Science and Engineering from Sahyadri College of Engineering and Management, Mangalore. He has an impressive research portfolio with several publications in IEEE Explorer, Scopus Indexed Journal, Springer, and other reputed international platforms. His notable contributions include advanced deep learning models for mango leaf disease detection, COVID-19 diagnosis, and epileptic seizure detection and text sentiment classification. He has also contributed as Scopus Indexed book chapters on blockchain-enabled IoT solutions. Dr. Vijay C.P. sir has received a research and event grant from prestigious bodies such as IEEE AICTE Warning Scheme, KSHEC, and KSTA to conduct technical workshops, training programs. He is also a permanent member of ISTE and IAENG. A resource person, he has delivered numerous expert talks and hands-on sessions on topics like Android app development, data analytics using Python, ChatGPT and AI tools, and other cutting-edge technologies. So, with a great respect and enthusiasm, we warmly welcome Dr. Vijay C.P. sir and invite him to lead today's session on Python tool for data science. Thank you, sir.
Okay, fine. Okay, very good morning.
Good morning.
Hello, namaskara. Fine. I would like to thank Kritika madam for such a wonderful introduction. Yes, you all know this is actually AICT sponsored workshop. We have to deliver this content of the workshops in both the language. Basically, the scheme is promoting a regional language in India. So we'll try to mix both, like we'll try to speak in English as well as the Kannada. Because some technical words we may not deliver in Kannada. Okay? Yes, I think you all know about Python programming language. Okay, it is not a new language to you. Even I think most of you explored some of the tools in Python language. I explored Pandas, huh? Huh? NumPy, TK-inter, TK, matplotlib, okay, cbar, scikit-learn, I think in the next part, another resource person will talk about some of the concept like feature engineering, how we do normalization and some other stuffs. Since you already studied this, I think this session is going to be just a refresher session to you. Okay, I think we'll not talk any new things here. Okay, because within a given time of 1 hour, 15 minutes, it's quite difficult to see the new things. But still, okay. According to you, why Python is required? Do you think Python is required? You have to learn Python. Why we have to learn the Python? Huh? The code is very simple. Yeah, absolutely. Easy to learn. Tumba simple agirutte. Easy to learn, na? Okay. Yes, ma'am. Huh? So these are the major reason to learn Python is very simple. Very easy to understand. When compared to other programming language like C or Java, okay, it is very easy to write. In C, if I want to declare a variable, I have to write data type, then the variable name. Okay, those are many things we have to write. Even If you want to reverse a string in C, I have to write minimum, how many lines I have to write? Huh? 10 lines? No. Okay, leave all those libraries and all. When you come to the logical part, how many lines I have to write, okay, in C language to just reverse a string? Huh? Okay, you use strrev and you reverse it. Huh? By using for loop. Okay. But in Python, we can do it in a single line just by using. What's the concept? Someone is telling. Very good. Just slicing. Okay, yeah. That is the beauty of the Python programming language. Okay. But at the same time, if you use Python for everything, you may you may not think the concept logically. Okay, because everything is inbuilt. Huh? Isn't it? Yes. That's why even whenever we teach the Python, sometimes we not allow the student to use direct methods. We ask them to use the loops. Okay, and so they learn, they'll think. Okay, yes. Now, majorly in the Python, important things are data structures. What are the different data structures in Python? Leave about vectors. Basically, list, dictionaries, tuples, sets. But okay, fine. Majorly we use list and dictionaries we use. Most of the operations on data, okay, we use list and dictionaries, right? Majorly list is a sequence of elements of homogeneous or heterogeneous. Yes, it can be a both. Okay, heterogeneous elements. But whereas dictionary is a key pair value, isn't it? Huh? Yes. Even we analyze the data, still we store the data either in the list form or in the dictionary forms, isn't it? Yes. Today, majorly we are focusing on pandas. Okay, we'll try to take some example. We'll try to take some CSV files and we try to analyze it. Later, I will give one data file to you or see what is the data set to you. You try to analyze it for some questions. Okay. I think all of you switch on your systems. So it is a hands-on session. Okay, it's a one-to-one session. Okay. I think switch on systems. Yes. Normally, which platform you use to execute Python program? Huh? Jupyter Notebook, right? Yes, you're all comfortable in that. Then not a problem. Okay. Who is the inventor of the Python language? Huh? Ludo van Rossum. Yes, good. Fine. Okay. One of the Python library or a tool we are using for data analytics is Pandas. Okay. Basic function of this, we can analyze, clean and explore and manipulate the data. Whatever you have a data. If you want to know the insides of the data, okay, we can use this Pandas. So Pandas is a reference to both panel data and Python data analytics, basically. There are many functions we can do by using the Pandas. Let me create a simple data. Can you create a simple dictionary where, yeah, like this, just see this. Just create my own data set I'm creating. I'm not using any CSV file. Okay, I'll have to create this simple data. How to import the Pandas? Import Pandas as a PD. Is it a dictionary or not? Is it a dictionary? Yes. Yes. But we are converting that dictionary into the data frame. When you convert that dictionary data frame, what will happen? Your keys will become what? Column names. Okay. Your values will become the values of a column in every row. How to try this? Very important, you need to import the pandas as a PD. How to import this as a PD only or something else? Huh? I can give any name. Will it work? Okay. If I give something, okay, DP. Yeah, that's what. Here instead of PD I have to give DP. Okay. We'll see that. Basically it is like alias name. Just try, even though you know this, please try. Okay. Are you getting the output? Okay. This is your data frame. This is your data. Or I am creating a data set. Okay. I am converting your dictionary into data set. The data set is having the rows and the columns. You just look at this. The key becomes a column, the cars and column names, the cars and the passings, okay, and the values will become the values in every row of the data set, okay. Okay, fine. Fine. This is another method we have for series. Okay. I have a list, and I can store that as a sequence of elements with the indices by using this series. You see that. Oh, you're getting error. Huh? Just try this. This is another method we have. If I simply print what is that A, you get only 172. But I want the index along with that. So we can create a series of elements along with the indices. The series of data can be timed. Now try ಮಾಡಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅಂತ. Headings pass ಮಾಡಿ. Okay. These are that's one of the important functions. Now, already I discussed same thing. Now, how do you locate a particular row in the data frame? How do you get the particular row, okay, values along with the column names, okay, in Pandas? Very simple, by using this LOC. By using this LOC, you can, okay, get the particular row, specific row you can get. I have two statements here. The first statement, you can get a particular row, okay, values along with the column name. The second one is you can get the multiple rows. You can specify which rows you want. You want 0th rows, first row, second row. That I can specify. Okay, you just see this. For this, I am getting the output this. Okay, these are the column names, but these are the row values of that columns. These are first row values. Just look at this. 428. What is that?
390.
390 and 45. Because this last row. Okay. That is 0th row, first row, and second row. What is the value? 398, 45 that I am getting. Here I want two rows. Just try. See that. Here I got the 0, 1, and 2. 0, 1. Only 0 and 1 I got. Likewise, you can change. Okay. If you want only 0 and 2, just see you will get it or not. All of you explore this. The function, what we have. The first print df.loc of 2 means the specific row, you will get it. Try ಮಾಡಿ LOC. Sorry, data frame. Okay, ಅದು already create ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ನೀವು. Okay, sorry, but I created, but you are not created. Okay, yes. Otherwise you can, for the same only you can do it, right? ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ಅದೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Otherwise you can create this calories and duration. Oh, you created only that car data frame, right? But this one not created. For that only you try. Not necessarily for this. You can try for the data frame which you created. The car's data frame you created, right? For that only you try. You may get different output, that's it. ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡೇಟಾ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಯಾವ್ದಾರು ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ okay. That is one of the feature of this. You can have a specific row, or you can have more than one specific rows. Okay. Now, can we have our own indices? There I have 0, 1, 2. Can we have our own indices? Yes, we can have. Okay. Let us see how we can have that. Ignore. You just create this data frame. We not create it. Can we create this data frame? By using an index argument, we can have our own indices. See, day 1 calorie, day 2 calories, and day 3 calories. created this, and here you can have this day 1. Okay, day 1 for row 1, day 2 is for row 2, day 3 is for the row 3. Aita? And also you see that I'm showing a particular row value by using the index. Those who are new to this, okay, new to the Jupyter, kindly go to new, select the notebook, then you just click on the plus, you get a new cell, type your program, then just click on this button, run. Okay, those are new. Okay, those are the simple functions. We have many. We'll see that some other functions now. Let us try to explore or analyze a data file. I'll share one link. All of you download this CSV file. See this, type this https colon / short url .at / smallest bmro. All of you type this URL in your browser. So you will be able to download a CSV file. All of you kindly download. All of you downloaded that file? Huh? Download ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾರನೂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ you have to upload to the home directory of Jupyter. Just select, go to the folder where you downloaded that file. I think it is a download file. Then select that, then open. So once you click on the open, the files will be available. Yes, you can see that items underscore data.csv is available in the Jupyter home directory. Huh? Internet but everyone can access that file. I will just try to analyze the data inside that CSV file. Basically, it has different items bought by different people. Okay, when they bought, afternoon or what is that, forenoon, and what is the price of the item, all the things it has. So we'll try to analyze some fundamentals, not in detail. Okay. Now, once we uploaded, we have to load that. Okay, we have to read the content of that. How to read the CSV file and how to make a data frame of that is pd.read_csv and the file name items_data.csv df is equal to the data frame which is created, it is referred by this variable df. Now after that, if you want to see that, you just type df. If I write print df, what you will get? Same you will get. What is the difference you observed in just by typing df and the print df? Basically the format. Okay. Don't write print df. Will print exactly data frame if you use only df with some row and column. With the line it prints, but if you use a print, it will not. You see the difference. Just printing like a table, somewhat similar to table. Okay. Are you able to get that? Pata idea ningella? Can you get from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4? Okay. How will print? df dot 8. Is all the rows and columns were printed. Now df dot head, that will print only the top 5 rows. Bottom 5 rows, tail. I want to the specific rows. Huh? Yes. Sorry. Close. That one. Close. That's not it. So that's mine. Items. Items. If you write head of 3, what you will get? Huh? If I write only head of 3, you will get only top 3. 6 quadrant, top 6. I want bottom 5 or bottom 2. What I have to use? I have to use. Simply if I put tail, bottom 5 you will get. Huh? If I put only 1, what you will get? The last row you will get? Huh? Yes, last row you will get. Okay? Yes. Sometimes what happens, I want to get the highlights of the data set. Okay? I want to know the overview of the data set quickly. So what we can do is, we can do the info. We can use the info method. So by using that, you will get the overview of the data set. Okay? You see that here. What are different columns? How many columns? What are different column IDs? All the information you will get in here. Okay. Now, I will just try to explore. We have many things, but now another important is describe. Just try describe and you see what you will get. DataFrame.describe and you see what you will get it. Huh? What is showing? Huh? It has a different parameters, right? Huh? Basically count the standard. What is STD? Standard deviation. Mean. Mean is there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Huh? Minimum is there. 25% of that particular column. Okay. 50% of that particular column. 75% of the particular column. The max. Sometimes we want such values. Instead of analyzing column wise, if you just use this, so you'll get the insight of this quickly. Huh? Just allow me explore this and see what I get. Okay. Now, I want to know how many null values are there. That is very, very important in the data cleaning. The data cleaning is one of the important steps in data analysis. Okay. How do you clean the data? Basically, you have to see the null values. So, if you want to get the number of null values, I can use this. Sum is basically it will count it. Okay. Now, if I run this, you will get the null values of each column. Okay? The null values of each column you will get. Later we will see how to replace this null values. How to replace these null values? There are different options you have to replace this. I can make a mean of entire column or standard deviation of entire column or max of entire column. I can replace those null value with any of these. Okay? How to do that? There is a method called fill NA. Fill the null values. Fill NA. By using that, are you try this? Are you able to get this the sum of null values? Data frame dot is null. Then it count how many null values are there in every column. Now this is how I can replace the null values. I'll try this. I am replacing the mean of those columns with the null values. I am just finding the mean of particular column and I am replacing that values with the null values. I'll have to try this. I am just replacing only the quantity and the price. If possible, you try. You see that even not only these two columns, I have a null values in bought, price, even even I have that in bought, after no, for no. Okay, instead of finding mean or max, I want to replace with one value. Okay, how do you write a statement for this? ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರೀತೀರಾ statement? I don't want mean. I want to replace that with one like 10 or 20. Instead of this, I can put a value here. A value is like that. So, like that, you just try to replace all the null values of afternoon and the forenoon. You try it. Try madi. Okay, because we have a null values in forenoon and as well as in afternoon. Okay, just try to replace this. The forenoon and I have to put together in a single column. I want total sum of both afternoon and forenoon. How to do it? Can you combine and you can create a new column? Yes, you can create a new column. How to do this? You can have a new name for the column and you can add it. Okay? Just see this. We'll come to the, just see this. This is how we can do a new column. I'm creating a new column called total sales. Okay, by adding the values of forenoon column and the afternoon column. So you just see at the last, but these this new column will not be created in the data set. Only the data frame is there. Okay, if we want we can save it, but we are not saving it now. Only for analysis purpose you can have a new column. Yes, that you have to save it. I am not saving anything, whatever is I am doing here. Only all the things are happening in the data frame, not in the data file. You see, this is my original file. Okay, I have replaced the null value, everything, but those are not reflected here because it's a original file. Whatever we are doing only in the referencing data frame. Okay, if you want to do it, you have to save it. So if you save it, it can be reflected. Okay, we have other method for that, but I am not saving it here. Now that is how we can create a new column, the data frame. What is data frame basically? We are talking about data frame. What is data frame? It's basically a table. Okay, it's a two-dimensional table where we have rows and columns. That's it. That is the data frame. Now this is how we create it. Now even if you want drop a particular row which is having, okay, not having more than 4 null values, so that we can drop, or you can please drop that rows. Okay, we'll see this now. Sort the values by price. Not only price, you can sort the values as you wish. Now here I am just sorting based on the price. Yeah, here another argument I can say, that is, you want to sort in ascending or you want to sort in descending. That also I can specify over there. Ascending is false, it goes in descending. Okay, by default it is ascending. By default it is ascending. Just see that. See, it is sorted based on the price. This is a price value sorted in ascending order. Another example is, see that Here ascending is equal to false. So it is descendingly sorted. You see this? Based on the, what we are doing here is we are sorting based on the bot. That is in descending order, 786, 765, 672. Okay, we have a option for you. Okay, if you want, you can sort in descending or you can sort in ascending order. By default, it is ascending. If you want to change it to descending, just set ascending is equal to false. Just try. You try ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ. Both you try ascending set to false or ascending set to true. By default, ascending is set to true. Sometimes what happens, you want only the particular rows which satisfies some criteria. So that is the case. I can write the code like this. I want the values or data frame where the price value is greater than 60. Only such values I want, or such data frame I want. This is how you can create. So later I can use this for visualization. I can create a plot. Okay. Yesterday there was a session on Power BI. That is completely like a no code kind of tool. This is everything is code. If you do code, you'll have some fun. Okay. If there is no code, you'll become lazy sometimes. But those tools are developed by using such codes only. Without code, you cannot do anything. So you should know coding also. At the same time, you should know such tools also. Close one. Single active or double active. Not printed. It should DD code. I use different reference. Same reference, but different reference. Partidya. Likewise, you try different. What is that? Values. Only display the item where the quantity is greater than some 5. Okay, like that you try. Greater than 2 irodu adara try ಮಾಡಿ. This is already we created. Okay, sometimes what happens, we want in alphabetical order. Sometimes we want to group the items, okay, and we want to display the values, total sales values we want to display by grouping the items. What is the output I will get for this? What is the output I will get? Output ಏನು ಬರ್ಬೋದು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ? Sorry. dot sum. Oh, sum is not added. One. So you get a total sales of individual items. The alphabetical order you should get. Why it is not coming? Are you able to add that afternoon and forenoon sales? Is added, the values are added? Okay. Are you getting the values here for this? Just write this code and see what
It is showing the same. 0. Same.
Getting same?
It's 0, 0.
Probably, okay. You have to rerun the previous data frames. So we'll get it. No, those are not getting. Okay, you just go to the previous total sales there. I think you are getting. Should get, but not getting. No, after no. Okay. See that. That was the long term correct. Now, have you got it or not? What's the values thing, Ella? No, afternoon just to replace the null value with the zeros. No. Forenoon plus afternoon. You should get 4, 5, 6 for milk. Okay, we'll change this to something else. Okay, okay. One ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಯಾಕೋ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ. Okay. I don't know what happened. Okay. Actually ಬರುತ್ತೆ. We don't have much time. Meanwhile, we just try to see. We try to explore some visualization tool also. Okay. Basically, there are two visualization tools. We have more, but one is the matplotlib, another one is C-bar. Matplotlib has a limited options. But to overcome that, we can use something called C-bar. We can plot different kinds of graphs or charts by using C-bar. Okay. Now, by using matplotlib, we try to plot some 3 types of graph now for the same data set. This is data. The bar chart, price versus item. Whenever you say graph, basically it deals with the x and y axis. Okay, we have to specify what is the x-axis value and what is the y-axis value. Now, the first one is I am drawing the bar chart, price versus item. Okay, item and the price. We have a milk, we have a bread. Okay, accordingly we have to plot the graph. Matplotlib.py plot as a PLT. Sometimes this may not support. Okay, because the versions are getting updated. Okay, you may get an error. So sometimes we need to upgrade or sometimes we need to downgrade these tools or the libraries. You see this? Now I can have a figure size, dimension I can specify. If you want, you just then data. Now this is my, what is this item and price? This is my x-axis, this is my y-axis values. Okay, all the item values will be displayed. Item will be displayed in the x-axis. The corresponding price will be there in the y-axis. This is, we change this to the price. This you can change item versus price. X label, what is the label you want for x-axis and what is the label you want for the y-axis? What is the title for the bar chart? And finally we are showing that chart. Similarly, histogram, how frequently the items are. Yeah, I think it is same. Okay, histogram and beta, because we are showing the same. The time. Okay, we're running out of time. Okay. Okay, you just try the scatter plot. Aida? Bar chart Aida?
No, sir.
Bar chart Aida. Only 3 lines. Just try this, the bar chart. Enappa? It will in problem agala. Only chart you have to use, okay, in machine learning, scatter plot, okay, especially in the regression and all, we use that scatter plot, quantity versus what. How will get this? Same, only thing is, instead of bar, you put scatter. So you will get this is a scatter plot. How it is scattered? Okay, just try this. Okay. Another one is seaborne. NumPy this is C bar. Just look at this. I'm importing the C bar as a SNS. You can have any alias name. Okay. There we use bar. Here just bar plot. And from what is the data frame? Okay, you are getting the values. Then what is the x value? What is the y value? If you want a rotation, we can have. Okay. But normally, just go with this. So it's quite simple, okay, compared to that, isn't it? But this is how we can plot the bar chart by using SNS. Sorry, C bar. Okay. We have many things to explore. Okay, we have just explored what are the fundamentals of the Pandas. Okay, even we have not touched the NumPy because we have a limited time. Okay, even we got to connect this with the next session. Okay, so we just explored the fundamentals of the Pandas, which normally we use to analyze the data. Even we can plot different kinds of plots like count plot. Okay, and other plots are there. Even I thought of giving a small question also, but time is not permitting to me. Okay, I think with this I conclude my session. If you have any doubt, okay, you can take the doubt maybe after the session, not now. I would like to thank I would like to thank for ACT for giving me the opportunity to deliver a session on this topic. Thank you all. Now, actually, madam, wait.
With the participants. We thank the resource person Dr. Vijay C.P. sir. We are grateful to our resource person for delivering such a informative, inspiring, hands-on session. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, madam.
We have a short tea break now. After the completion of the tea break, again the session will start.
Session will start exactly at 11:30.
Exactly.
At 11:30, the same place. Kindly have a tea outside, the same place where you had yesterday. Please come back at 11:30. Again, you have the same kind of action session.
We have small token of appreciation to our resource person.
Okay.